Good morning, dear students. I, Professor Basavaraj Koluche, welcome you all for today's lecture of marketing management. We were discussing about module number 4, that is consumer behavior. In consumer behavior, we have seen the meaning and definition of consumer behavior, and now we are supposed to see the various factors that influence the consumer behavior we were discussing. In this, we have completed the market factors such as product design, price, promotion, packaging, positioning, and distribution. Second point, personal factors such as age, gender, education, and income level. These things we have discussed, and also the psychological factors such as buying motive, perception of the product, and attitude towards the product. Today we shall see the other factors which are, say, influencing the consumer behavior. The fourth point is situational factors such as physical surrounding at the time of purchase, social surrounding, and time factor. Here, the various aspects related to the situational factors also make impact on the consumer behavior. The situational factors such as physical surrounding or the physical aspects will make or will influence the decision of the customer. The social surroundings such as the group of people to whom they are belonging, the social factors like the consumer's reference group, family, social roles, status, all these things will influence in the buying behavior. The person to which membership he belongs to, which group he belongs to, that will influence him to purchase those kind of groups, those kind of products. If a person's family members are belonging to certain particular background, even that will make an impact. Members of the buyer's family can exercise a strong influence on the buyer's behavior. Say the family consists of one parent's wife and her children may require very minimum things. But if it is a joint family with many number of people, then the requirements of that family will be more. Then the time factors of purchasing. Suppose if it is a festival time, we may not think of price and other things. We will see the requirement during that particular festival and then we will purchase. So these situational factors will make very important influence on the consumer behavior. Then the next factor is social factors. The social factors such as the status, social status, reference groups, and the family. Here, the reference group influence buyers very strongly. The membership group can be, say, primary group which have direct influence like family members, friends, neighbors, and co-workers. The secondary group will be, say, the religious organizations, trade unions, and spiritual group is also one among them. So this way the members or the people will influence the purchaser. The social status of the purchaser or the customer will also influence the product or the buying behavior. The reference groups or the people with whom he or she is associated will also impact on the consumer's behavior or the decision of the consumer. The family members and the role and the status of an individual. Say a buyer may belong to many groups at the same time, like family, clubs, associations, or organizations. So, his position in each group will be specified by his role and status. Such roles and status will be also influencing some of his buying decisions. Based upon the groups he is associated will also influence the buying behavior. Then the last point which will be influencing the consumer behavior is cultural factors. The cultural factors like the buyer's culture, subculture, and social class exert the broadest and deepest influence on the consumer behavior. Here, the culture is the most fundamental determinant of a person because, say, the wants and his behavior as a person grows up in the society, and the basic things what he has learned from the society, like values, perceptions, preferences, and behavior, will make him to change or behave as per that culture while purchasing the products. The marketing people look for, say, cultural shifts to find out new products that may be demanded. Say, the concern about health and fitness, for example, is a culture shift which created a market for healthy equipments, healthy drinks, or say the traditional food and all. So the culture is making impact on the behavior of a person. Then the subcultures, the main culture includes smaller group of subcultures within its fold, say, that provides more specific identification and socialization for its members. Say the subculture like nationality groups, religions groups, racial groups, and communities to which the person is belonging to. All these things make an impact on the buying behavior. The social classes are, say, homogeneous, and the social stratifications in society whose members share similar values, interests, and behavior. Here, the upper class, middle class, and lower class are such social classes is determined by occupation, income, education, etc. So, all these things like caste, subcaste, and other things will be influencing the buying behavior of a customer. So these are the factors which will be influencing the buying behavior of the customers. With this, we shall stop here in today's class. If you have any doubts and questions, you all can feel free to contact me at any point of time. Till then, we shall stop here. Thank you. Good day.